Hi there, students. Supine. Okay, supine is an adjective. Supinely, the adverb. Supine can also be a noun, but in one special case. Okay, supine means lying flat on your back, face up. Too much whiskey left him supine on the floor. The astronauts need to be supine during the takeoff. He has been supine on the couch watching TV all day. So face up, flat on your back. The opposite of prone, which means lying on your face, lying on your stomach. Prone, face down. Okay, we also use the adjective supine, meaning not to take action, not to do anything, through indifference, apathy, passivity, or lack of morals, offering no resistance. The police remained supine while the immigrants were beaten up by the racists. So they remained inactive. They didn't do anything. Notice as well, supine is critical. It's criticizing. It's saying you should care. You should do something. Yeah, I think you're wrong in not caring. The population supinely gave up their civil rights to the dictator. They offered no resistance. They didn't do anything. Figuratively, they're lying on their backs, inactive. Neville Chamberlain's supine attitude appeased Hitler instead of standing up to him. The management of the company was supine and did nothing as the situation got worse. So you need to act now. Don't remain supine, but do something. So supine, offering no resistance. A supine hostage does everything his captors tell him to do. A supine attitude will change absolutely nothing. Okay? So, inactivity, apathy, not doing anything because you don't care. Now, I mentioned supine, a supine as a noun. This is a grammar word. A supine is a verbal noun that exists in some languages like Latin, for example. But that's quite unusual and quite technical. So, supine, lying on your back, supine through alcohol, supine, not acting because you just don't care, you don't give a damn. Okay, next question, formality. I'm going to give this word a 7.5, an 8 in formality. This is a formal word. You could just about use it in a semi-formal writing. Use it in a formal document and it sounds really good. Informally, lying on your back, doing nothing, inactive, passive, something like that. And then supine comes from Latin, supinus, lying face up. So, supine, lying on your back or not doing anything through apathy or lack of morals or just because you don't care. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Supine.